Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. I'm joining in with Summer Tea Party with the awesome hostess, Sanji Home Decor and Lifestyle. And she's an awesome channel. Please go check her out if you haven't already. Co-hostess for this challenge is Glamour Ellen, Tammy of Glam Queen of DIYs, Andrea of Andrea Mason's Queen Court. They're all awesome channels. Please go check out that playlist and see what everyone did for this awesome challenge. These are all awesome channels, and I want you to go and enjoy what they put together. They put a lot of time and effort into this, so please go check out what they did. Good morning. It is summertime tea party time. We are doing a tea party for 4 today. We have set up a beautiful display of all kinds of beautiful things to share. We have our beautiful dinnerware for our beautiful tea party today. And of course we have our silverware just for tea party, our miniature silverware. Our crystal glasses for our special friends. And our beautiful Mackenzie Childs teapots, salt and pepper shaker, because you know how much Grandma loves Mackenzie Childs. And of course we have our Mackenzie Childs teacups here also on the table, and with our magical spoons to give us some magic in our summer tea party today. Our beautiful teapots, are they not beautiful? On top of our Mackenzie Childs inspirational risers. And here's another teapot. Is that beautiful too? To remind us it's tea time, with a teapot ready to pour some wonderful tea. Some beautiful ham sandwiches for my wonderful guest. And of course, some treats for display only. Over here, we have some real lemon cakes for all of us lemon lovers, and some oatmeal raisin cookies also for everyone that enjoys good oatmeal raisin cookies. Doesn't all this look so yummy? I thought it looked beautiful today. What do you think? Let me know what was your favorite thing you saw on the table today that you enjoyed. I thought everything turned out pretty nice for a summer tea time for 4. I'm going to stop talking for a while and let you just enjoy how beautiful the table looks.